Hey everybody, it's Amanda from the Hides to Disney, and today we have a mystery pin unboxing. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am Amanda if you are new here, and today we are going to unbox the 2020 mystery pins set. We got these on our most recent trip to Disney World since the parks have reopened, and all of their 2020 merch was buy one get one free, so I got 4 boxes and we're gonna open them. There are 8 for this set, and so in theory technically I could get all 8. I doubt that I'll get all 8. I'll probably end up getting like 3 out of 8, but I'm really excited, so let's just open them up. So these are all the 2020 pins that you can get in these mystery boxes. You've got Brer Rabbit, Jack Jack, Chip, Simba, Sebastian, Mushu, Winnie the Pooh, and Jack Skellington. If I do get duplicates and I'm looking to trade, and you have duplicates that you're looking to trade and you need one of mine, I need one of yours, let me know. I would love to do that trade with you. Or if there's a character that I get doubles of that you really like, then let me know and we will get that trade going. So let's just start. Box 1. I think this one is gonna have, I don't know. So they come in little bags here. So I think this one's gonna have Pooh and Jack Jack. That's my guess. Okay, box 1, bag 1. Not easy to rip. Glad I grabbed scissors. Wow, I was actually right. The first one is Jack Jack. And I think that Jack Jack is how we all feel about 2020. Like, let's just laser eye this thing out of here. Bag number 2. I swear if this one's Winnie the Pooh and I called it, I'm gonna laugh so hard. It's not, but I'm excited. It's Brer Rabbit from Splash Mountain, and if only he knew the things that he would know now when he took that picture and sat in that 2020. He was thinking it was gonna be a zippity-doo-dah day, and it's more like he's gonna plummet down into the laughing place. Let's see what's in the next box. All right, I'm feeling good about this one. Box number 2, mystery number 1. Let's see if it's different. Oh look, it's another Jack Jack pin. Cute. So if you need a Jack Jack pin, let me know, because I've got at least 2 now. Let's cut open this next one. Oh, this one's wicked cute. It's way cuter than I thought it was gonna be. I like it. It's Winnie the Pooh, and I don't know if you can actually tell, but like there's little cutouts in him where his honey is on his body that are golden. Oh, that is adorable. Okay, so I will definitely have to trade at least one of those Jack Jacks to get the full set. I don't know who I'm gonna have to trade for, but definitely have to get the full set since I'm now gonna be down at least 1. I'll probably be down like Jack Skellington because he's the coolest one. Okay, next one. Oh my gosh! It's another Jack Jack. Okay, so apparently Jack is like every box is gonna have Jack in it. So now I've got 2 Jacks if you need one. And the next one is, oh yes! It's Simba with his cute mane. Oh my gosh, I love him so much. All right, so we have 4 out of 8. I just have a feeling that this one's gonna have Jack Jack and Winnie the Pooh in it. I just have this feeling. But, so I still need Jack Skellington, Chip, Sebastian, and Mushu. Out of those 4, I would like Jack Skellington for sure, and I don't don't care of the other ones, but I really want Jack Skellington. That's the one that like I went into this wanting. All right, 10 bucks. One of these has Jack in it. Jack. All right. Jack. Okay, great. Who needs a Jack? Cause I got him. All right, come on, one that I don't have. Oh, I have this one. Boo. It's Simba. All right, so I'm a little bit bummed that I got literally 4 of the same one, but it is what it is. That's what happens when you get mystery boxes. So if you have this set and for whatever reason I got all the Jacks and you got all the Jack Skellingtons and you want to trade, leave a comment down below. Or if you just want to trade for one of those Jacks in general or one of those Simbas, let me know. I really am open to looking at anything. It doesn't have to be like a 2020 box set like that. I definitely want to get more into doing some pin mail and trading with you guys, so definitely let me know if you are interested in one of those, or if you have some that you want to trade and you want to see my other traders, we can totally make that happen. So thank you guys again so much for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, and we will see you on Thursday for another cooking video and Monday for a Disney video. Bye!